In this video, we'll install Magic Automa on your Mac and set up the macOS permissions. 5 minutes now, and every feature from hotkeys to voice commands to the tablet remote will just work. Download the Mac version from magicatoma.com. Pick Apple Silicon if you have a recent M-Series Mac, Intel otherwise. Open the downloaded file and drag Magic Automa into your Applications folder. On first launch, macOS asks for confirmation because the app came from the internet. Click Open. The setup wizard starts. It's the same as on Windows. Pick the free plan or enter your studio license. Select the programs you use and confirm. We covered step by step in the previous video, so I'll be quick here. Now the important part, permissions. The rule is simple. By default, Magic Automa needs nothing. Each permission only powers its matching feature. So grant only what you use. Let's go through the main ones. The most important one is accessibility. It powers global hotkeys, the macro recorder, and UI automation for apps like DaVinci Resolve. Open system settings, privacy and security, accessibility, and switch Magic Automa on. Right below it, there's input monitoring. That's for listening to the mouse, for example, the scroll wheel on DaVinci's timeline. I recommend granting both together. They cover the same families of features, and you'll avoid surprises. One detail that solves 90% of issues. After granting a permission, if the feature doesn't kick in right away, restart the app. The other permissions are requested by macOS at the right moment. Turning on voice commands. The microphone prompt appears. Allow it. Starting the tablet remote. macOS asks for local network access. Allow it, where your tablet won't see the Mac. And if the firewall is on, also allow incoming connections. For desktop notifications, enable them when prompted. Note that some notifications show up under the name Script Editor. That's normal. It's the macOS scripting engine. One last tweak. Only if you want to use F1 through F12 on their own as hotkeys. In System Settings, Keyboard, enable use F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys. Without it, macOS keeps those keys for brightness and volume, and your hotkeys won't fire. To recap, grant accessibility and input monitoring right away. Everything else when you turn the feature on, and restart the app if something doesn't start on the first try. Your Mac is ready. In the next video, we'll take a tour of the